halfway into January 2021, but our first order of 2020 2-ounce Libertad proofs finally arrived last week, and we'd like to unbox them here for you now. And please excuse the blurry picture. It will go away in a second after the address is no longer visible. Jefe, my chica, she'll be unboxing 15 2020 2-ounce Libertads. The mintage for 2020 was 2,800 proofs. The average for the past 5 years for mintage is just over 3,500. So the year 2020 was slightly below the 5-year average. And another interesting aspect to 2020 is for obvious reasons, the Casa de Moneda only produced proofs at 2-ounce, not the reverse proof which they've provided the past few years, which is unfortunate but understandable. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of the 2020 2-ounce Libertad proofs. There's some photography coming up, and I hope you enjoy this music.